Hello everybody, welcome to a tutorial and my first video as well. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. What we're doing today is we're going to be learning how to make a Discord server. So what do you need to do? So you're going to need a Discord account and a computer. Now, doing this on a mobile phone, it's possible. It's just extremely hard and repetitive. So I may do a video on that in the future, but we're just going to be doing this on computer. So you want to open up Discord or whatever. Today we're just going to be learning how to make the server, set up channels, set up rules, and learn all the basics. And next episode, we'll probably be getting into bots. So, yes, so we're going to need to click here. So, in Discord, you'll have this button. You'll probably have your servers here. I've just got a new account, fresh account, because I don't want to use my main one. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to press this plus button. So, this is where you can click join or create. So, we want to create a server. And so this may look a bit complicated. Now I'm hiding out the server region just because anyway. And so we can type out, this is our server name. So we'll type in, let's say, we'll call this Bacon Doc official server. Now obviously this can be whatever you want. Change this, choose a different name, and you can change the icon. So just give me a sec. Okay, I've just chosen an icon and we're going to click create. Now, if you want to change your server region, you can choose from all these different regions. But it should be chosen automatically. I just don't want to show mine. So you're going to click create. So yeah, you'll get this. It will show your Discord link. I'm in streamer mode, so it won't show. And you'll automatically be joined to your general voice chats. So we're just going to click disconnect from there. Now, if you don't know how to use the GUI of Discord, I'm going to be making a whole nother video on that. So, yes, on the side here, we've got our servers, not servers, channels, sorry. So, basically, here's a group. So, you can tell if it's a text chat by the hashtag, and the voice chat if it's got the voice mic. And we're just going to delete all of these. So if you want to delete something, or if you want to hide this for the groups, you can press that. Probably knew that. That's why you're here. You want to make a server. You want to click delete. Right click and click delete on all of this because you probably don't want this. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to make a category, basically a group, so something. So we might just call this the front door for when people come in. So we're gonna go rules first. Type some rules down. Let's say one, no swearing. To have fun. Now obviously you can put gifs in, you can put emojis, whatever. I didn't even spell have fun right. And yeah, whatever you want to put there, just there we go. Mechanical keyboard noises. Okay, now we can make another thing. So maybe we can make a support channel for everyone that comes in. You kind of get the idea here. So yeah, just making these and doing this. So yep, we're gonna just make a general place. And we're just gonna type memes. You can do whatever you want. Just do something. We're gonna actually try making this a server. Though. In the end, we're gonna try making this the Bacon Doc official server. And we're gonna call this one general. And this one can be not safe for work. And that can be good for now. That's okay. So we're just gonna right click on our server. Whoops. And you'll get this whole thing. So I'll guide you through this. So this is invite people. You can click copy. It will probably see link now. I'm in stream mode again to show, and if you click options, that little options button, you'll get these other settings, how many people can use it, how after it expires. I recommend if you're gonna use this for like YouTube or Discord or streaming, whatever, click set link to never expire. Next we have server mute. This makes it so if someone texts, it doesn't make that didn't noise. Hide muted channels. Yeah, you can mute channels. And server settings. So we're gonna do that in sec. Notification settings, just change the notifications, all that other stuff. Change nickname. We'll get into that a bit more and create and that. So we're gonna do server settings. This is your main place. Again, I'm blocking that out. AFK channel. I'll talk about that a bit more. New member message channels. Again, we'll talk about that a bit more. So all of this is hidden, but I'll just talk you through. Moderation, you don't really need to worry about. Audit log is basically, so say if I add or block, ban someone on my server, it will show up here. Roles, this is basically 50% of the time you're going to be spending here. So you probably know what a role is, but if you do not, let's talk through this. If you do know, there'll probably be a skip button because this will take a while on screen. So yep, probably right there in the middle. Click that or go to the time frame it says. If you don't know, just continue. So roles, we're going to click plus to make a new role. You don't have to, I'm just showing you what a role is. So everyone, this role, new role. We're going to call this, we're just going to make a staff. So we can do that. This is a role. I can. So if I go back out, because I'm owner or if I have the permins, I can right click on someone, click roles and give them that role. So if I click staff on me, then I will have that role now and any things it grants, any permissions it grants me. So if I want to make a staff, I need to give them administer. Administer basically means they can do everything on the server. So if I click administer, they have access to everything below. But for the sake of this, God, I'm tired. I haven't had my morning coffee. Anyway, I actually don't drink coffee. Okay, anyway, so okay, for the purpose of this video, we're not going to be clicking administer because we want to show you. We'll walk through all of this. View audit log, as we mentioned before, audit log, it won't show because I'm in streamer mode. That just shows everything. Manage server, they can basically go into overview and change everything here. Manage roles, where they can change roles and permissions role have. Manage channels, so I can go, if I had managed channels permission, I could change the channels, create channels, change the channel names, everything like that. Kick people, they can still come back. Ban, they can't come back. Create instant invite, which basically means if anyone can make an invite, then you can tick that off or on. Change nickname, you can change your own nickname. I'll show you, I'll talk about that later. Manage emojis. Emojis, you can add emojis. Again, we'll talk about that later. Emojis. Manage webhooks, you probably don't want to worry about that. Read and text, and yeah, this you probably want to tick that. You don't really want to untick that. Again, you want to keep these unless you want to keep this. This is something text to speech. So if I type /TTS, type something, it will play it in whatever voice chat you're in as a robot. Manage messages, you can delete, edit messages. Embed links, that means they can send links. Attach files, they can send files out. Like, so if I wanted to send an image, I need that attach files. Read message history, pretty much self-explanatory. Mention everyone. I highly recommend, that you keep mention everyone off for everyone or any other thing, because people will spam it. hard. We'll just turn that off for this. Use external emojis, just keep that on. That doesn't make it add reactions. So if I go into a message I sent, I click add this. This is a reaction. So if we click there, I'm going to react with squid. It can react there. Sorry. And connect. You can connect, speak. You can speak. Mute members. You probably want to keep this off for everyone. Deafen members. It makes it so they can't hear. Move members. That means they can move them to a different voice chat. Use voice activity. They can use push to talk, and priority speaker means they are louder than everyone else. Okay. So I'm glad that you guys back. Some of you skipped that, some of you didn't. Thank you for everyone that actually listened to that because that took a long time. Anyway, we'll get to emojis. So, emojis, you can upload an image. I just did because I don't want you to see my computer. We just call this bacon dog emoji. We'll just call it that so you can see that's what you have to type for it. And you can upload animated emojis, but you need to be like a premium member, or whatever it's called. Webhooks, you probably don't need that. Widget, we'll talk about that later. Members, that's who's in the server. Invites, who's made invites. Bans, who you've banned. Okay, that was a lot of the basics just down. Just navigating and learning how it works. We'll talk about a bit more next episode. I didn't want to make this overly long, but thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Again, if you really liked it, subscribe, liked my first video. And yep, next episode we're going to be going through bots, and the episode after that I'm going to be showing you how to set up economy and a shop for like ranks and that. So yeah, I hope you are excited to see what comes, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.